can see here.
So the flower, so over there is main entrance, but the flower is one side here. It's a long place. So I have to go in the side of flower. They have door here to enter or gate. You know, check how beautiful they are. Check how beautiful they are. Yeah. You see? If you get to see, you get them. This is so good. And the price is good too. See, like there. I forgot to take the card. I have to come back again to take the card. Fertilizer soil. Yeah, I can take one bag of soil. I think it's one of them. Yeah. I like you waiting. Yeah. Soil. You see? Soil. Look at the one, like the bush one, like it can handle all season. Yeah. The bush one can handle season like this one. This kind of, I think this is all season. You see? Full sun. Yeah. I don't know how much. Oh yeah. This one can handle the sun. They rotten here. Full sun to part shadow. But I'm still looking, I think. I'm still looking for the other. I need to replace it. The other one. Oh, that one has a flower. Oh, this flower, they're so beautiful. You see them? Oh, I like this purple color. The purple one is so beautiful. Maybe I need the seeds. But I need like this kind of tree shrub. Yeah, the shrub one. And also the rose. I want to replace the rose. Yeah, the rose one. How much it is? My rosy flower. Yeah. Oh, there is no price. Wait, where is the price? Oh, rose. Rose. This kind of rosy, they don't die. I already have it in my place there. But I want to add another one. Yeah. I want to add it. I think I need to add it. I'll take this. It looks like something going on here. Okay. I think I need it to stop. Come here. See, they have all kind of pot here. Yeah, if you very potty, but I already have my pot here. Yeah. Yep. Big, small, medium. That is awesome. You see how the garden look like inside. This is inside. So it's another day, and the temperature here is little cool. It's 50. Yeah, it's evening. So it's another day. I want to show you. The flower I bought it from Home Depot there. Yeah. So I struggle with this. My flower, they get eating with insects. So I struggle with it to protect it. I use everything, but I can't do it. It's just like wherever I put something, I'm telling you, even I have to make research, it's still get destroyed with this insect. So I don't know, leave comment down if you guys, someone has like this love of garden and he has this idea for protecting the flower. I know many people they have that too, but me, I still struggle here in my porch, you know. My little place porch here. So I love flower. Yeah, so I love that. I have this 3 shrub tree flower I bought it. I replaced it. So I'm going to show how I replaced them, you know.